personal challenge. Could I create a new source of passive income in just 6 months? My plan was to start a brand new Etsy store, selling products created with basic clip art sourced from Canva, and see if I could turn it into a profitable venture. Many people told me it couldn't be done, that Etsy was oversaturated and no longer a viable platform for newcomers. But instead of accepting that as truth, I decided to test it for myself. The products I sell are incredibly simple to create, but I use a strategic approach to ensure they are attractive to buyers. By following a method I call the cross-idea formula, I choose basic clip art from Canva that has potential, apply it to print-on-demand products, and list them for sale on Etsy at a profit. Now, the first step in this process is selecting a popular product to sell. It may sound basic, but the reality is that if you want to make money, you have to sell something people want to buy. To find such products, I turn to a print-on-demand platform called Printify. This site offers a vast range of blank products that you can customize and resell. You simply pick a product, upload a design, and list it for sale on a marketplace like Etsy. When a customer places an order, Printify handles the printing, packaging, and shipping. The difference between your sale price and Printify's costs is your profit. Printify's bestsellers page is a goldmine for finding high-demand products. One standout category is t-shirts, which are the top-selling print-on-demand product of all time. For this example, I decided to focus on t-shirts as my primary product. With a popular product category chosen, the next step is to come up with unique, unsaturated product ideas using my cross-idea formula. To find inspiration, I start by searching Etsy for generic terms, like funny t-shirts. The search results prioritize products that customers have purchased recently, making it easy to spot popular designs. For example, I might find a t-shirt featuring a clever double entendre or a design with deadpan humor. Popular products are easy to identify because Etsy clearly highlights their sales performance, such as a shirt that sold 37 times in the past 24 hours. At this point, many people make the critical mistake of copying existing products. It's a strategy doomed to fail, especially for new sellers. Think about it. If a customer has the choice between buying a t-shirt from a store with thousands of positive reviews or a nearly identical shirt from a brand new store with no reviews, which would they choose? The established store, of course. Instead of copying, I apply the cross-idea formula. This involves identifying successful design elements and combining them with other popular niches to create something fresh and unique. For instance, if I notice a popular t-shirt featuring deadpan humor and double entendres, I might look for other niches that could benefit from the same approach, such as animals. A search for funny parrot t-shirts might reveal that no one is currently using double entendres in this niche. By combining the humor style with a theme like parrots, I create an original product that stands out in the marketplace. Creating these designs is straightforward. I use Canva, a drag-and-drop graphic design tool that offers millions of clip art options, fonts, and other elements. Importantly, Canva's licensing allows users to commercially print designs onto products for sale, as long as the clip art is combined with other elements to form a unique creation. For example, I might start with a simple parrot illustration, add text in a trendy font, and incorporate a humorous phrase inspired by parrots' quirky behaviors. Even coming up with funny phrases is easy. I use ChatGPT to brainstorm ideas. For instance, after learning that parrots often wake their owners at the crack of dawn, I might create a design featuring a parrot with the words "Nature's Alarm Clock." Once the design is complete, I export it using high-quality settings to ensure it prints well on products. I save it as a PNG file with a transparent background and the maximum possible resolution. Occasionally, I add a distressed texture to give the design a vintage look. This small, optional step can make t-shirts appear more professional and appealing. Using a free online tool like Photopea, which mimics Photoshop, I overlay a distressed texture onto the design and adjust it for the desired effect. With the design finalized, I upload it to Printify and position it on the t-shirt template. Then, I create a product listing on Etsy. This involves writing a descriptive title, crafting an engaging product description, and setting a competitive price. To determine pricing, I use a profit calculator, such as the one provided by Printful. This tool ensures I meet my target profit margin, typically 30% to 40%, even after factoring in Etsy's transaction fees and Printify's production costs. Once the product is live on Etsy, sales start to come in. The majority of my sales come from organic traffic, shoppers browsing Etsy and discovering my products. Optimizing listings for Etsy's search algorithm is crucial for driving this traffic. This means using relevant keywords in the title and description and featuring high-quality product photos. For print-on-demand products, Placeit is an excellent resource for creating professional mock-ups. By uploading your design to one of their templates, you can generate stunning product images that catch customers' attention. In addition to organic sales, I use Etsy ads to boost visibility. Running ads on Etsy is simple and can be incredibly effective if done correctly. I start with a modest daily budget, sometimes as low as $1, and gradually increase spending on ads that deliver a strong return on investment, ROI. For instance, if an ad generates $4.57 for every $1 spent, it's a clear winner, and I keep it running. Conversely, I turn off ads that fail to meet my ROI threshold. This strategy ensures that my ad budget is spent efficiently, contributing to consistent profits. One of the things I love most about this venture is how passive it is. After setting up a product and listing, there's little ongoing work required. Printify handles production and shipping, while Etsy drives traffic to my store. The initial effort of creating unique, high-quality designs pays off in the form of steady sales and growing income. For those interested in starting their own Etsy store, the process is straightforward. Setting up accounts on Etsy and Printify takes less than 30 minutes, and both platforms provide user-friendly tools for managing your store. Canva makes design accessible even for beginners, and additional resources like Placeit and profit calculators streamline the process further. Ultimately, this challenge proved that it is possible to start a successful Etsy store, even in a saturated market. By using data-driven strategies, creating original products, and leveraging the tools available, I turned a simple idea into a thriving source of passive income. If you're considering starting your own store, remember to focus on creating unique designs that stand out and appeal to your target audience. With dedication and a bit of creativity, the possibilities are endless. If you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe the channel, and for more videos like this check out these videos.